Once you've created a block or imported your blocks, you can insert the block. So if I come in and insert the block, you pick from the list what block you want to use. You can set the layer you want the block to go to, and you can pick the location for that particular block. So you can see based on the insertion point that was created with the block, it'll pick the location of that block. Now if the block was defined with other locations, you would then be able to use these location 2 and 3 for that rotation of the block. Now, or scaling of the block as well. Now you can also set an elevation, so maybe this was elevation 50, and I can also define a rotation angle. So if I want this to be a particular angle, you'll see that I can set that angle by picking on or picking the location of that. You can also right click and use a 3-point snap or a deflection angle snap. For the elevation, you can right click and you can set along a line snap, on a surface snap, from a plane snap, or at a point snap. The location, you'll see that you can use any of the other snaps that are available. And then for the scale, you can type in the scale as well, and you can scale it in the X, Y, and Z directions.